Welcome to my channel. What would you do if someone asked for proof of your love? And what if a small bird was willing to sacrifice everything for true love? Stay with me until the end, because today's story, The Nightingale and the Rose, is full of love, sacrifice, disappointment, and a powerful lesson that will make you think deeply. Chapter 1: The Student's Sadness. The story begins in a beautiful garden where a young student is sitting alone. He looks sad, worried, and heartbroken. Tears fill his eyes as he thinks about the girl he loves. The professor's daughter has promised to dance with him at a grand party, but there is one condition. She will only dance with him if he brings her a red rose. For many people, finding a flower may seem easy, but for the student, it feels impossible. He searches his garden and looks carefully at every rose tree. To his disappointment, he cannot find a single red rose anywhere. The student becomes even more upset. He believes that all his happiness depends on finding that one flower. Without it, he feels that he will lose the chance to be with the girl he loves. As he sits in the garden crying, he speaks about love, dreams, and disappointment. He cannot understand why something so small can cause him so much pain. Remember this powerful truth. Sometimes what we desire most seems impossible to obtain. While the student is crying, a small nightingale is sitting nearby in a tree. She listens carefully to his words. The nightingale has often sung songs about love, but she has never seen someone suffer so deeply because of it. The little bird becomes curious. She watches the student and begins to believe that he is a true lover, someone willing to do anything for love. To the nightingale, love is the most beautiful thing in the world. She believes it is more valuable than wealth, jewels, or power. As the student continues to cry, the nightingale feels sympathy for him. She wishes she could help him find the red rose that seems so impossible to obtain. But then, she remembers something important. Somewhere in the garden, there may be a way to create a red rose. Could the nightingale help the student? And what price would have to be paid for such a rare and beautiful flower? That is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter, Chapter 2: The Nightingale's Great Sacrifice. The next morning, the nightingale decides to help the young student. She believes that true love is the most precious thing in the world, and she wants to do everything she can to make the student happy. Without wasting any time, she flies across the garden looking for a red rose. First, she visits a beautiful rose tree. "Can you give me a red rose?" she asks. The tree sadly replies that its roses are white as snow and cannot become red. The nightingale thanks the tree and continues her search. Then she visits another rose tree. "Can you give me a red rose?" she asks again. But this tree produces yellow roses, as golden as the sun. It cannot help her either. Finally, she finds a third rose tree. The tree tells her that it can create a red rose, but there is a terrible condition. The nightingale must sing all night with her heart pressed against a sharp thorn. As she sings, the thorn will slowly pierce her heart. Her blood will flow into the rose, turning it deep red. But by morning, the nightingale will be dead. The little bird is shocked. For a moment, she becomes silent. She knows that accepting this condition means giving up her life. Remember this powerful truth. True love often asks for selflessness. The nightingale thinks deeply. She loves her life, the stars, the moonlight, and the beauty of nature. Yet, she believes that love is even more valuable than life itself. After a long moment of reflection, she makes her decision. She will sacrifice herself to create the red rose. She does not expect thanks or rewards. She simply wants to help someone she believes is a true lover. As the sun begins to set and darkness covers the garden, the nightingale flies toward the rose tree. The time has come. Soon, she will begin the greatest song of her life. But can she complete the sacrifice? And will the red rose finally bloom? That is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter. Chapter 3. The red rose is Creatidas. Night falls over the garden. The nightingale flies to the rose tree and gently presses her heart against the sharp thorn. The moon shines brightly in the sky, and the world becomes quiet. Taking a deep breath, the little bird begins to sing. Her song is beautiful and full of emotion. She sings about love, hope, joy, and devotion. The stars seem to listen, and the garden becomes filled with her sweet voice. As she sings, a small rose begins to appear on the tree. At first, the rose is pale and colorless. The nightingale continues singing. Her voice grows stronger and more passionate. The thorn presses deeper into her heart, and the rose slowly changes color. The rose becomes pink, but it is still not red enough. The rose tree tells her to sing louder and press closer to the thorn. The nightingale obeys. She sings with all the strength she has left. The thorn pierces deeper into her heart, causing great pain. Yet she does not stop. She keeps singing because she is determined to complete her sacrifice. Remember this powerful truth. Great achievements often require great sacrifices. Hour after hour, the nightingale sings. Her song becomes weaker as her strength fades. But at the same time, the rose grows more beautiful. Slowly, its petals turn a rich and deep red, the color of true love. Finally, just before dawn, the perfect red rose blooms. It is the most beautiful rose the garden has ever seen. The nightingale looks at the flower one last time. She knows her mission is complete. With her final breath, she finishes her song. Then, quietly and peacefully, the little bird falls to the ground. The nightingale is gone, but her sacrifice has created the perfect red rose. The garden is silent as the first rays of sunlight touch the flower. Soon, the student will discover the rose he desperately wanted. But will he ever know the price that was paid for it? And what will happen when he gives the rose to the girl he loves? That is exactly what we will discover in the final chapter. Chapter 4. The Shocking Ending and Lesson. The next morning, the young student walks into the garden and sees the beautiful red rose. He cannot believe his eyes. It is the most perfect rose he has ever seen. Filled with excitement, he carefully picks the flower and rushes to the professor's daughter. He feels sure that she will be happy. He believes she will accept the rose and dance with him at the party. When he finds her, he proudly presents the red rose. But something unexpected happens. The girl looks at the flower and shakes her head. She tells him that another man has sent her expensive jewels, and she likes the jewels more than the rose. She says that the rose will not match her dress, and that jewels are far more valuable. The student is shocked. He cannot believe what he is hearing. All his hopes and dreams suddenly disappear. He becomes angry and disappointed. Without thinking about the beauty of the flower or the sacrifice behind it, he throws the rose into the street. A cartwheel rolls over it, crushing it into the dirt. Remember this powerful truth. The greatest sacrifices are not always appreciated. The student then decides that love is foolish and impractical. He returns to his books and chooses logic and study over love. Sadly, neither the student nor the girl ever learns about the nightingale's sacrifice. They never know that a small bird gave her life to create that beautiful red rose. This is what makes the ending so powerful and heartbreaking. The nightingale believed in true love. She gave everything she had for it, yet the people she tried to help failed to understand its value. The story teaches us an important lesson. Real love, kindness, and sacrifice are precious things. Sometimes the world may not appreciate them. Sometimes people may not recognize the efforts we make for them, but that does not make those acts less meaningful. True kindness has value, even when no one notices it. and true sacrifice remains noble, even when it is forgotten. That is the timeless message of the nightingale and the rose. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Do you think the nightingale's sacrifice was worth it? I read every comment and would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for joining me on this emotional journey. Keep learning, keep reading, and keep growing. I will see you in the next video.